Awesome. Welcome back. This is Michael Smith with Bulk Listing Pro. So, I like some jazz now and then. Let us go through the research tab on our Bulk Listing Pro app. This is a Chrome extension. If you go to the Chrome store and type in Bulk Listing Pro, this is all one word, and download this free app, you'll have a great time. So first off, the extension actually automates the upload process. So if you haven't seen or been here before, this extension will allow you to create listings and upload them straight out of your extension panel. So what it really does is it streamlines and hastens or quickens the process of uploading listings. Also, it helps you to edit. If I open this listing editor, you can go into each field. Here's your title field and your description, our price, and the category. We also have our images and our tags here. So everything is all in one form, and you'll be able to upload everything all at once. If you have multitude of items you want listed, you can click on add another listing and it'll pop up there. If you are not so great at generating listings, you need SEO optimized listings, you can click on the AI, this orange AI button, and it will look at what you've already put in. So you want to type in kind of a quick and easy title, a description, and then click on each associated AI box and it will upload and provide you with options. If you want to look at your whole listing, let's say you've done quite a few and you want to evaluate them, you can click on evaluate button. And it's going to optimize each field for you using SEO and the context that you've provided, as well as your tags. And it'll also give you ratings on what you've already created. So today, we're going to the research tab because the research tab allows you to go to listings. Let's say this coin guy is my competitor. I'm going to go to his listing and I noticed that he's making a lot of sales. How in the heck, 78 sales, 8 months, this guy is an amazing guy, right? So what I can do is I can click on the capture Etsy listing and it's going to scrape all this information and bring it into a listing for you to check out what information they have, what they did wrong, what you're doing wrong, what they did right. And it'll also pull their tags if they had any. They don't have any tags. Awesome. It also pulls the images up. If you have a similar product, but maybe they did a better job at it, it'll pull that in. So you have a listing here now based on what they have. You can come in and change this. You can evaluate it. I'm looking at this description and it looks kind of lacking. So as I said, if this is your listing, you can click on this orange AI button and it's going to review this and the context of what it is that you've provided and give you an SEO, that's search engine optimized description. And so what is an SEO optimized anything? What that is it's going to put in words that other users or other people searching for your product might look for or use. So you're going to see here, journey back in time with this captivating digital print, a stunning recreation of a rare and ancient silver coin featuring Alexander the Great, right? Way better than this guy's shipping payment feedback. You're going to totally blow your competitors out of the water, right? What's included? We've got high resolution. We're going to use this description. So I'm going to go ahead and click use that. All of this is going to be put in here and then you can edit it afterwards, right? Let's see, let's say the guide, he didn't provide much. So this is thinking it's a digital product. What's included? You can go in here and edit that yourself. After you've done that, I'm going to optimize this title as well. It looks a little lacking. It's going to give me 3 different recommendations. I like this second one, the Roman coin, and it's not a poster. So we're going to take that out. And boom, we have a listing. Let's go with the AI tags. We see that this guy didn't put tags in here, so his listing's actually lacking, and a lot of things could be improved upon, right? So we're gonna apply these tags Now our listing is using his is a lot better, right? Now I can add this to queue. It's going to show up in the upload tab down here, and I can click start upload, and there you go. It's going to go ahead and send that in. Two other sites that are similar to Etsy is eBay and also Amazon. So let's say you have a competitor here on Amazon. Coin, I don't know, Alexander Great Coin. Let's see if somebody is selling one of those. Hey, check it out. There you go. So this one looks like his images are a lot nicer than what we have in ours, right? Yeah, you can come in here and you can copy paste this over, or maybe you want to right click and save on some images. Maybe they're images, you have the same coin, but it's just different. Or you can go ahead and click on the capture Amazon listing, right? So it's going to go ahead and scroll on down. It's going to scrape everything just like it did at the Etsy listing, and it's going to create another listing for you. And this person, it's extracting their tags, and I'm looking at it: silver plated, ancient Greek coins, Alexander the Great. I don't know if this is the best use of coins, but I mean tags, but that's fine. We'll leave that in here. This is just a demonstration of the different tools that we have in Bulk Listing Pro. And this is going to help you with your listings. It's going to help you SEO and optimize your listings. It's going to speed up the listing process of uploading your documents and your products to Etsy. And it's also going to give you recommendations. So it's a great tool, very easy to use. Head over to the Chrome store and download it. It is free. And it'll give you, I believe, about 10 free credits, and you'll be able to start using it now. Thanks again for your time. Bulk Listing Pro, one word, at the Chrome web store. Have a good one.